You can see now your result. Now you are able to check your result, and I'm telling you step to step how to check your result. A long time has passed. A long time had passed, but you were not getting your result. But now, in advance, not in advance, today you will celebrate Diwali, and I want to say Happy Diwali to all. And I'm telling you as well as your result with this. So, what you have done, what have to do? You have to do one small work. You have to watch complete video, and until it will finish, you have to watch complete video. I'll confirm you step to step how to check your result. But before this, I want explain this that some cases are going on for APDCL freshers result. Many of candidates, 2 or 3 candidates, has filled petitions for their result. So, what was their conclusion? I'm confirming you all in this video. You can see your own self in services.com. If you want to see, you have judgment number, case number, or judge name. By that particular name, you can search your case detail. And if you have case number, then easily you will get your case detail, and you will aware about it what is happening regarding your APDCL freshers result. So, candidates, just two options are available. You, if you want, take a printout for your case detail, then you can go services.com, and Guwahati Court website is available. You can see Guwahati High Court's website, and you can get case detail. And besides this, if you want check your result, you can go apdcl.org.in, and then a home page will open. Then what should you do? I am telling you. You have to go, you have to down your scroll bar, and in bottom side you can see complete information. Now you will about to ask me one question, that is there any activated link, or is there any notification, latest notification? So thus I'm telling you in fact here that candidates, I has opened that website in morning. I had opened APDCL website in morning. But in what's new section, what's new section, I didn't get any new notification. And I read all notification regarding your result, but I didn't get any new notification, and 2 or 3 hours has passed. Now you can check again, because of this is your result, and you should conscious about it. And more than me, you are conscious about it. So I know very well that you are seeing again and again, you are opening that website, APDCL website, again and again, and you want to see your result, and you are opening YouTube also. And in YouTube videos, you are searching that your result has been declared or not. Candidates, I won't tell you that result will upload definitely. I can't say that forget that result. I am making a lot of videos. You know, I have started also. But your result is not publishing. Your result is not coming. How sad. I want that your result should be out. But it is taking some time. This is all depend on that case's decision. What will be interim decision of High Court? This is all depend on that. We can't do nothing. We can't do anything. You can't do anything. Just you can keep patience. Or as well as if you want, you can fill a PIL again. You can go for High Court and you can ask them that why is so taking a lot of time. This is too much. So it's depend on you because of this is your result. This is not my result. I am a YouTuber. I am a small YouTuber. And many of YouTubers are making videos over that APDCL's result. But you are not getting something new. All old things are happening. Old things, old notices are roaming, surrounding to all, and they are showing newspapers cutting to you or notifications cutting to you, and you felt bored. You are feeling what is happening. You are not getting your result. So, candidates, just humbly, I won't say that no any options available. You can go, you can fight in High Court, or you can go, you can keep patience for your result. So, second option is better. Wait for till November 2020. In month of November and maybe possibility is creating here and result will be out and definitely you will be select. So I want to say again happy Diwali to all and I want to say result will come as soon as possible. I am expecting it and you are expecting it. So just this video I made regarding that and I made a lot of videos, don't mind it, and I'll make it. This is my duty, and don't angry. Thank you.